Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Download Line from the App Store or Google Play and create an account with your phone number. Verify your account with the 6-digit code sent by SMS and set a display name. Add contacts by phone number, QR code, or by syncing your address book automatically. Configure a profile photo and status message to help friends recognize you quickly. Enable push notifications so you never miss messages while the app runs in background. Start one-to-one chats or create group chats and invite up to 500 members per group. Use chat features to send photos, videos, and files up to 40 MB in size. Decorate messages with stickers, animated stamps, and emoji packs from the sticker shop. Make free voice or video calls using one or group calls through the app interface. Pin important chats to the top to find conversations quickly when you open the app. Turn on letter sealing end-to-end encryption for private chats and calls in settings to improve security. Backup chat history to your cloud account and export important conversations manually when you need records. Use Keep to store messages, images, and links for quick retrieval inside the app. Activate a passcode lock or biometric unlock to prevent unauthorized access on your device. Manage blocked users, hide chats, and regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.